Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about how to minimize the appearance of your large pores and how to get rid of acne scars and dark spots. As an esthetician, I get so many people coming to me on the daily asking me for skincare advice and how to improve their skin, reduce acne scars, all of that. And of course, I always recommend retinols and BHAs. These are definitely the basics which you all should be incorporating. But for some people, I sometimes see that might not be enough. And this is usually with people who had really strong cases of acne, maybe even cystic acne or really strong hormonal acne in their teenage years, and they really cannot get rid of it with normal acne products. This is why for these stronger cases, I always recommend microneedling as a treatment for acne scars, dark spots, but even anti-aging. Ask any dermatologist, any esthetician, and they will tell you how beneficial microneedling is for regenerating your skin and healing your skin. If you didn't know, this is what a microneedling device looks like. I'm not sure the camera can actually catch it. I'll show you later on, but this actually has really tiny, fine little needles. This is because microneedling consists of creating really controlled small damage into your skin by inserting small, tiny needles and basically forcing your skin to heal itself and regenerate itself. So stimulate new collagen production, create new skin cells, and while the skin is regenerating and healing from this damage, it's also gonna heal the acne scars and all the hyperpigmentation that your acne has left. While your skin is healing, your pores are also gonna shrink in the appearance because your skin is gonna be tighter. It's gonna be more toned, new, and therefore the appearance of your pores is gonna minimize. Now, baby, I know that the idea of microneedling might sound scary and very painful because you're literally inserting needles into your skin, but with the use of the right device and using it the proper way, trust me, it's not painful, not harmful for your skin at all, and actually really good. So one device that I really like, and I've actually been using for years, this brand is actually Banish. They make really great at-home microneedling devices. So of course you can go into a clinic to an esthetician, dermatologist to do this, but it can be very expensive, especially if you have to do more than one treatment, which is what I recommend and what everyone recommends to see the best results. If you want to go down the cheaper route and still have great benefits, great results of microneedling, you can get an at-home device like this one from Banish. I'm sorry you can see my sweaty hands. I just applied hand lotion and now my hands are sweating. Anyway, Banish actually just launched their new version of their microneedling device because they had the Banisher 2.0. This is the 3.0. So this is the new and improved version. The reason I prefer this over other microneedling devices that you can find in the market, especially the really popular ones that you see on Amazon, they're actually like roll-on microneedling devices. Those are really bad. This one is a stamp, but you basically stamp the needles in, so they are being inserted in a very controlled way, so it won't cause the needles to drag into the skin. Whereas the roll-on devices, you're literally doing this. This is a very uncontrolled, unsafe, and very harsh way to microneedle your skin. You're dragging the needles into the skin, creating really big tears into the skin, and this is gonna cause more damage and more harm than you can cause any good. So, before you start any of your treatments, make sure that your head of the Banisher is always sanitized. That means you make sure you put some rubbing alcohol inside this cap, you close it like this, and then you flip it, and that is gonna disinfect the head of the Banisher. Make sure you sanitize it before each treatment and after each treatment. I actually decided to get a brand new head for this treatment to show you guys how to properly use it so that it's all fresh. So let's start. So what you wanna do is actually focus on the areas that you think have the most acne scars and the most hyperpigmentation that really need the most attention. However, if you do have an active pimple, make sure you're not pressing it directly onto the pimple because it's gonna cause damage. All the pus inside the pimple is gonna spread onto your face. It's gonna be a mess. So avoid that. So what you want to do is take it and start pressing like this. See? Press, lift, press, lift. You do not want to press and jiggle it around. You do not want to press and, God forbid, stroke it and move like that. That is going to cause so much trauma to the skin. You don't want to do that. You also don't want to be super fast, like brrr. No. Now, as I just told you guys, the difference between this Banisher and their old Banisher 2.0 is that this one actually comes with a replaceable head. And when you do buy it, the package, it comes with 2 heads. So you also have a rechargeable one. And you're meant to be using one head for 8 treatments. And then you're going to throw the head out and put the new one. So you basically get 16 treatments out the box, which is a really good amount, and you're really gonna see huge results without even needing to having to purchase new heads before you're done with the treatment. You want to be doing this treatment once or twice a week max, definitely no more, otherwise you're gonna irritate your skin and it's gonna be too much for your skin, and definitely not less, otherwise you're not gonna see results. But regardless, I did the maths and it's gonna come up at a cost of basically even less than a cup of coffee. So you guys, this is definitely a very economical and budget friendly option to save money without going to a professional and still getting your microneedling treatments done at home. As you can see, I am done with this cheek area. I went through and past. Make sure to cover each of the area evenly. And as you can see, it is a little bit red, a little bit irritated, but don't worry, this is completely normal. You are doing a treatment inserting needles, so this is expected. The needles are actually 0.5 millimeters deep. So you guys, that is literally nothing in the scale of things. And actually, it's been proven by studies that 0.5 millimeters is actually the optimal length of microneedling devices for you to be getting the best results and the most effective treatment. Some devices actually come with 0.3, and that is not going to be deep enough to actually stimulate all the dermis of your skin. And also, some needles actually come very thick, and that's going to be way too damaging for your skin. These ones, I don't know if you can see. Okay, there you go. Can you see how thin they are? They are so thin. And make sure you're not going under the eyes. You don't want to go directly under it. That is too dangerous. Okay, guys. So now that I am done with my microneedling treatment in just a second. There we go. Now that I'm done, I'm going to close this back inside. I'm going to sterilize it and sanitize it later on. But for now, I'm just going to do this because now is the perfect time to start applying your skincare products. You guys, now that we created little tears and little holes into our skin, literally any skincare product and active ingredient that we apply right now is going to penetrate much deeper than it usually does. So now is the perfect time to go in with active ingredients. For example, vitamin C is a great skincare ingredient to get rid of acne scars and hyperpigmentation and dark spots. For this one, I'm actually going to be using the Banish vitamin C cream. They actually developed this specifically to be used after you use your banisher. So this is the consistency of the cream. As you can see, it's very thick, but that means that it's also super soothing and moisturizing, which is what we need because we just created trauma into our skin. So we need to soothe it. We need to hydrate it and make sure that it repairs well. What I really love about this vitamin C is how hydrating of a cream it is in general, but also it's super stabilized. So that means that it's not gonna go off and turn yellow on you after 2 weeks of using it. I'm sure you've had this before. You get a vitamin C and then you notice that the color starts to change after a few weeks. That is because the vitamin C is going off. And that is a problem with the formula. That means that the formula isn't good enough and it goes destabilized. This one, you guys, it will not do that for you. And on top of that, look at the glow it gives me. Hello? Can you see this? Oh my god, I love this. Now, if you guys are concerned with the redness in your skin or you feel like your skin is a little bit damaged, you can feel it burning and stinging a little bit, that is completely normal. However, if you think that your skin would not be able to handle a vitamin C serum or anything for that matter, then I would recommend you actually use a soothing product like this one, for example, the Banish Spider Gel, which is actually again formulated to be used after you use their banisher. And this one, instead of a vitamin C, this is a soothing product. So as you can see, look at this. It's a soothing jelly that you apply. It's so lightweight. I just applied it and can you see how it instantly is making my skin less red? Look at that. The redness goes away so fast. This gel, however, is great in general to soothe the skin. Like if you feel like your skin is irritated and red because of your acne, maybe you have an acne flare-up, you know how red your skin can get, you can use this and this will actually soothe all that redness created by your acne. It actually has a bunch of soothing ingredients like aloe vera, arnica, so this is really gonna heal your skin. If you want, you can actually get all the products that I just talked about in a really cute little package. Look at this pouch, how cute. And it also comes with a pumpkin enzyme mask, which is actually great for exfoliation. So it comes all in this little package, including the pouch. It's called the starter kit. I actually use this pouch to travel. Like I put my passport in it, my credit card, all the important information because it actually closes. Really useful and cute. It's called the starter kit. It also comes, of course, with the Banisher 3.0. I will leave the link below down for you in the description box to make it real easy. And I hope you found this video useful. I get so many questions of people asking how to get rid of acne scars. And, you know, making a TikTok is really too short to actually show you how to do it the proper way. So I thought of just making a YouTube video. This is much better to really show you in detail how to really do this the proper way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, everything. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah!